Assalamualaikum girls. Just explaining exercise 8b again. Now question number 3 is about subtracting algebraic expressions. So first one is 5a from 8a, that is you have to subtract 5a from 8a. Remember that whenever we have to subtract with the term that is after from, we write it first. Like after from it is 8a, so first you will write 8a and below it we will write 5a. Now as it is subtraction, so plus will change into minus. Now plus minus, we know it is minus, so 8 minus 5 is 3a. It is same like addition, only the difference is that of the sign, changing in sign. In subtraction we just change up the signs over here. The rest is same. Now in the horizontal method, first you will take the terms inside the brackets. After from it is 8a, so first 8a will come, then minus and then 5a. Then open up the brackets, 8a minus 5a. 8 minus 5 is 3a, so the answer is 3a. The second one is you have to subtract 7x from 4x. Now by vertical method, 4x will come on the top, then below it 7x. Now plus will change into minus. Plus minus is minus, so 7 minus 4 is 3. And as minus sign, we will consider the sign that is over, that is a sign that is changed. So 7, the sign is now minus. So as plus minus is minus, 7 minus 4 is 3, and the sign of the greater number, that is 7, is minus. So we will write minus 3x. Now in the same way, by horizontal method, we will write it, take it inside the bracket. 4x will come first, minus of 7x. Open the brackets. 4x minus 7x. Now plus minus is minus, so 7 minus 4 is 3x. Second part is you have to subtract minus 2x from x plus 1. By vertical method, x plus 1 will come above and then below it 2x, because x we will write it together. Now applying the sign will become plus, as it is subtraction. Now plus 1 as it is. Now plus sign with this, when nothing is there, the sign is plus. Plus is plus. 2 plus 1 is 3x. So the answer is 3x plus 1. By horizontal method, first you will write x plus 1 minus of minus 2x. Now open up the bracket. X plus 1 minus plus 2x. Now x terms together we will take, then plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3x plus 1. Part 4th it, you have to subtract 2x plus 1 from minus x. Minus x will come above and below it 2x plus 1. Because it is subtraction, so the sign will change. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Then as it has become minus, so minus 1 will come. Then minus is plus, so 2 plus 1 is 3x. So minus 3x minus 1 is the answer. By horizontal method, minus x minus of 2x plus 1. Open up the brackets. Minus x plus minus 2x plus minus of 1. Then minus is plus, so 2 plus 1 is 3x, and because minus sign is here, so minus 3x and minus 1 as it is. So this is the answer. Coming to part 5. Part 5 is you have to subtract 2a plus 3b from 7a plus 8b. Now by vertical method, 7a plus 8b will come above, below it 2a plus 3b. Plus will be changed into minus, plus will change into minus. 8 minus 3 is 5b and 7 minus 2 is 5a. So the answer is 5a plus 5b. Now by horizontal method, 7a plus 8b minus of 2a plus 3b. Open up the brackets. Plus minus is minus 2a, plus minus is minus 3b. Now take a terms together and b terms together. Now 7 minus 2 is 5a plus 8 minus 3 is 5b. So this is the required answer. Now coming to part 6. You have to subtract 3a minus b plus c from 4a plus 2b minus 3c. as from it is 4a plus 2b minus 3c. So first you will write 4a plus 2b minus 3c, and then below it 3a minus b plus c. Then the sign will change, plus will become minus, minus will become plus, and plus will become minus. The minus is plus, so 3 plus 1 is 4c and minus 4c. Then plus is plus, 2 plus 1 is 3b, and plus minus is minus, 4 minus 3 is a. So the answer is a plus 3b minus 4c. Now by horizontal method, 4a we will take 4a plus 2b minus 3c minus of 3a plus 2b 3a minus b plus c. First we will open up the brackets, and then we will take a terms together. Okay, over here plus minus is minus 3a, minus is plus b, plus minus is minus c. Then take a terms together, b terms together, and c terms together. Now 4 minus 3a is a, 2b plus b is 3b, minus is plus, so 3 plus 1 is 4c. Now part 7 is you have to subtract x minus 2y minus 3z from 2x plus y plus 3z. By vertical method, 2x plus y plus 3z will come above, then below it x minus 2y minus 3z. We change the sign, minus will become plus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. Now plus is plus, 3 plus 3 is 6z, plus is plus, 2 plus 1 is 3y, and 2 minus 1 is 1x. By horizontal method, first we will write 2x plus y plus 3z minus of x minus 2y minus 3z. Open up the brackets, plus minus will become minus, minus will become plus, minus will become plus. Take x terms together, y terms together, and z terms together. 2x minus x is x, y plus 2y is 3y, 3 plus 3 is 6z. So that's it. This is the required answer. Thank you.
Karachi, Karachi, Karachi.
की नाम है कराची, मेरी जान है। ये शहर है जुनून का, ये खेल अपनी शान है। हवा में जीत का सुरूर है, झुकेंगे हम ये तेरी भूल है। लगाए छक्के हर कदम, पलटने वाले गेम हम। अब देखो हमारा भरम, ये है कराची, कराची, कराची। जो आता है तूफान दे, बिन आउट किए ना जान दे। चले अपना बल्ला ऐसा रे।